Welcome to this follow-up video on Squeaks integration that will focus on integrating Squeaks with third-party software systems. There are two features available in Squeaks that allow outside applications to communicate with Squeaks: the Squeaks API and Squeaks connectors. The Squeaks API primarily allows third-party applications to send data to Squeaks or request data from Squeaks. This allows users to modify their existing applications to perform extra functionality to interact with Squeaks when certain events happen. Examples would include initiating a squeak when a new work order comes into a maintenance system, or performing a backflush function in an ERP system when an operator performs a specific action on a squeak. The second feature, Squeaks connectors, pushes data to IGear Connect or a database whenever an event occurs in Squeaks. These events can be anything from a new squeak being initiated to an employee claiming or completing a squeak. As these events are pushed out, they can then be processed and filtered to perform other actions on your plant floor or in third-party applications. We will now work through a simple example of each of these functions. Here we have a maintenance button on an operator interface. Previously, this button would only turn on a red light. Slightly modifying the functionality of the button, we have programmed it to send a message to Squeaks through the Squeaks API that maintenance assistance is needed at the station. This message is then broadcast to the maintenance team, and Squeaks can handle the communication channels until the issue is resolved. Building on that example, we can then use IGear connectors to interact with that squeak and send some feedback to the operator as the squeak is acted upon. Using the IGear Connect connector, we are going to capture when the squeak is claimed and completed and change the stack light color as they happen. The stack light starts out red as it always has, but now, as the squeak is claimed, the light turns yellow, letting the operator know that somebody is on the way to help. Likewise, when the issue is resolved and the squeak is completed, we can process that event and turn the light to green. These are just a couple simple examples of how third-party applications can integrate with Squeaks to improve communication and efficiency. These examples can be expanded on to integrate with ERP systems, maintenance packages, or other plant floor technologies. Squeaks can build on your existing infrastructure to encourage collaboration, reduce downtime, and in the end, increase the profit of your business. For more information, please reach out to IGear.